When you're coming from your butterfly to your flatline position, ensure that you have a really strong hold and a strong active push with your bottom hand. Essentially, all you're doing is taking your face from the floor and rotating your shoulders so that that same arm is still pushing you to look at the ceiling. Other than that, you just have to ensure that the legs fall into place and you're just keeping the pull in your hip. So when you're in your butterfly position, ensure your bottom arm is actively pushing as you swing the legs around, face the ceiling, and switch your legs into that flat line. Performing the apprentice pull-up can be a bit tricky simply because it requires a lot of upper body strength. So what you want to do is once you come into that apprentice position from the flat line, use that as your recovery time to catch your breath, let your muscles cool out a little bit if needed, because you don't actively have to do anything. You really just have to hold. Once you're ready, then perform your apprentice pull-up by climbing up the pole in a rope climb. So placing one hand above the other and really using your body to drive all the way up the pole. Transitioning from the apprentice pull-up into the hello boys, the key with this one is that you really want to pull yourself into the position the first time instead of having to shuffle around while you're at the top. The more small moves you add into the combo, the sloppier it tends to look. So when you do that final pull on the apprentice and bring your legs around the pole, you actually want to start your tilt right away. So when you're in the apprentice position, as you pull up, on your second pull, or the final one that you're going to do, place your hand above, and when you come over, start your lean right there, so that all you have to do after you've leaned is simply open the legs.